What's up, everyone? It's your girl Faye. So welcome back to another day with me. Today I'm making breakfast. I'm making one of my favorite breakfast meals. We are going to boil these bananas to take them for breakfast. So we are boiling them with peels on. This meal was introduced to me by my grandma, and anytime I take the boiled bananas, it feels heavenly for me. So I just love, I'm one person that loves organic food. I love fast foods, but organic food hits different for me. So anyway, I just want to take you through how I'm going to make the bananas. I introduced some of my friends to this breakfast, and especially the lady that brought me the bananas from her countryside. She never used to boil the bananas with peels on, and now it's among her favorites. So maybe I might influence you. So come along. Let me show you how I do it. So first things first, we need the sleeves off. Yeah, we need the sleeves off. So we cut the bananas, both ends, like that. So then we put them in the sink or in a basin. We'll wash them later because we need them cleaned, like that. I hope you will love this breakfast. Let's call it Helena breakfast. My grandma is called, or rather was called Helena. So since she introduced me to this breakfast, let's officially name it Helena's breakfast. Yeah, we are done. So unfortunately, my mic stopped working at some point, but no worries. So what I was saying is those are the leftovers, or rather the remains from the cuttings. Those ones you throw away. Then get a cooking pot, or rather this is a shortcut. You need to wash the bananas. So me, I'm washing them and putting them directly in the cooking pot. So this cleaning part, I don't know, but I was really feeling it, like just cleaning and just having a morning, cleaning the bananas with the water flowing. Yeah, so I'm getting the bananas, not so many of them, of course. You saw it was just a few bananas. So cleaning them thoroughly. They have to be thoroughly cleaned because we are boiling them with peels on. So yeah, and I was excited while doing this. So making breakfast is one of those things that just uplifts you in a way. So once the bananas were ready, that's the bananas. Once they were ready, I added some water, just a generous amount, yeah, to have them come to a boil. So after adding the water, you add salt. So salt to taste, of course. Again, generously add the salt because I feel like when you are boiling the bananas with the peels on, you need more salt compared to when you're not using the peels. So yeah, that's me adding salt, generously adding salt. Yeah, then once you've added the salt, it's time to have the cooking pot on the fire and boil. Once done, you put the cooking pot on top of your source of fire and cover it. And to confirm whether it's ready, I use a fork. So you just press with a fork, and yeah, that's soft enough. So that means it's ready. The bananas are ready. So what I do is you can either choose to drain the water or do what I'm doing. So that's the water remaining, and the bananas, so they are ready. I can't wait to dig into them. So now we are going to cook our scrambled eggs. So I like using olive oil for the eggs. So this egg just fell when I was picking it, but it's still good. So let me get somewhere to put it. Yeah, it's still good. It just fell. Luckily, it didn't break entirely. Yay, yay. Some salt. Ready. Going to boil water for the tea. So for my tea, here is what I do. I put some milk inside a cup. I like my tea thick, so I put a generous amount of milk. Then this milk is cold, so I need to warm it in a microwave, and then the water is boiling, so I'll show you what I'll do. Let's first boil this milk, or rather heat the milk in a microwave, then yeah. It's ready. Now that our milk is ready, I need to add water. Let me try to do this one-handed. So I'm adding water to the milk. Then get the tea leaves. The Kericho Gold is my favorite tea leaves. So we need to insert it inside and let it brew for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I need to add honey. So I'm currently I take a lot of coffee. I have my coffee with sugar. So I'm trying to avoid taking too much sugar. So currently, when I'm taking tea, I only use honey, which is working for me, and I'm loving it. So I don't know whether I'll be able to do this one-handed. Okay, let me just do it the normal way. At it. So we need to add honey to this our tea. If you're in Kenya, by the way, this honey so far, it's nice. I got it from a classmate of mine from campus. So if you're in Nairobi, maybe you can order some from him. I find it to be, getting original honey in Nairobi is not easy. So this one is it's really good. Just see. Yeah. And it's not a paid ad. I've used it and it's nice. Yeah, so that's it. No wastage, no wastage at all. Yeah, oops, I want to pour my tea, to spill my tea, I mean. Yeah, so let me bring you closer. This is what the tea looks like after a few minutes. As you can see, it's brewed. So this is what we are going to have with our bananas and eggs, scrambled eggs. So I find this way of tea making to be quick and easier. But when I have visitors, depending on the number, I use the other method that I showed you in my previous vlog for making tea. So yeah, let's serve this. And finally, I'm here. So the tea is good. It's hot. So I need to try my eggs. I like taking my eggs before they get cold. Awesome. So we are getting to the bananas. I use my hands to eat the bananas, like, or rather to peel the bananas. So here we go. So we'll just peel all of them. There are two, so the two of them. Oops. And we call it a great breakfast. It's nice and well cooked. The tea is hot. Karibu. By the way, I'm remembering to welcome you when I'm already eating. Karibu. Karibu is Swahili for welcome. So I'll continue eating. So that's how I make my breakfast, and this here is my favorite. Okay, one of my favorite breakfast meals. This I don't make often because, as I mentioned earlier on, I rarely buy bananas in Nairobi. I come from banana land. Why should I buy bananas? But yeah, unfortunately, my grandma is not there, so she's the one who used to send me bananas. And yeah, this meal really hits, it slaps. Yeah, so thank you for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something from it, and I'm also hoping that if you try this, you also let me know and how it tasted. So bye, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and also share the video with someone that you think might use it. And see you tomorrow for another episode. Remember, we are still on this 100 days vlog challenge, and so far we are doing great, right? So thank you for watching. Bye.